My project focuses on labor rights and addressing the issue of information asymmetry.
My campaign is for jail reformations for women prisoners.
Currently, I'm working on designing a campaign against drug abuse in Punjab.
हमारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का गोल ये है कि हम जो भी दिल्ली के जितने भी स्लम एरिया में बच्चे हैं उनका स्कूल में एडमिशन करवाएं।
I am planning to work on an environmental issue, on the issue of circular economy.
There are a lot of aspiring young change makers who want to work on social change issues, but they do not know where to start. So keeping this in mind, we started the PPC program, the People Power Change program. The PPC program is based on the community organizing framework of Professor Marshall Grants from the Howard Kennedy School. The idea was to make this program accessible to Indian change makers on the ground.
They don't know where to start, they don't know what to do, they don't know how to design a campaign, they don't know how to work with people, how to work with the government, what will work, what will be successful, what will not be successful. And I think that's a huge gap in the social change sector, which PPC is trying to fill.
What's missing today in any intervention, any government scheme, any corporate initiative, any CSR intervention is actually that last mile connectivity, which has to be from the community, to take ownership, to catalyze entrepreneurship, to take responsibility, to be empowered, to be enabled to do that job.
People Power Change program is nothing but a translation of that framework into a program that Indian change makers can be part of.
The world is changing really rapidly, and the People Power and Change program provides young people the opportunity to think innovatively about how they can organize in their communities around social change.
The way Indian civil society is changing, the need and the major impact which can be created is only going to become through future leaders.
In this 10-week journey, these change makers are working on their own organizing projects on diverse social issues. Besides the classroom training, they've been mentored by 12 international coaches from the Howard network who will be helping them to create on-ground social change. To make this program more valuable, we even tapped into the Howard Kennedy Women India network, and they conducted workshops on skills needed for change making. Definitely, this is one of its kind program in India.
We are trying to equip young change makers who can lead and drive those social change in their local communities, in their college campuses, in their own organizations, or within governments as well in the future.
This course by Haiyya and University is going to help me a lot in terms of developing leadership skills, in terms of how to organize a campaign like this.
It was the first program I have came across that were working on grassroots level campaigns.
I think the framework is very structured. You decodify everything about a campaign and bringing about a positive change. I think that's what we were discussing in class as well. Practices that have been going on, but this course has really broken it down in ways where you can actually, see what step A, B and C is and then implement it.
PPC ट्रेनिंग ने मेरी जो नॉलेज है उसको बहुत हद तक बढ़ाया है, रिलेशनशिप बिल्डिंग से रिलेटेड और स्ट्रैटेजी किस तरीके से प्रिपेयर करना है, और जो पब्लिक नैरेटिव है, जो मेरी नॉलेज है, जो किस तरीके से कम्युनिटी में वर्क करना है.
I think it's very important for more stakeholders to come together for such programs because it helps take community leadership and organizing from just something that is done in local communities to something that can be designed and performed as a science.
Working with international coaches has helped me a lot because now I understand what public narrative really is, and I can really use that in my work to intervene in the community and use my own story to motivate the other girls to come up and be the leaders of tomorrow.
It has helped me unleash my leadership skills. Every module
has come with some surprises. Since I was looking for certain skills to be imbibed, I know that I know how to narrate a story that I take a lot of pride in. The story has helped me connect to more people. Now I know that I can organize more women, and I can talk about people confidently about my project.